This video serves a quick overview of measurements in the InFocus software. The measurement tools can be accessed from one or two locations, either from the measurements drop down here, or via the measurement icons found in the central bar here. I will now give a quick rundown of each of the tools available, starting with the angle tool. The angle tool, we can either do a 3 or 4 point angle. I will quickly display a 3-point angle here. Moving on next, we have our line tool, which allows for point-to-point measurements. Similarly, we have our line tool 3 points, which allows us to do a point-to-point measurement, but then to remove the line out of the way so as to not obscure the area measured. We have our parallel lines, which allows us to measure within parallel. Then our vertical line tool, which allows us to measure within a perpendicular. Our rectangle, ellipse, and circle tool are all going to be area use tools, which just allow us to measure an area based on either a rectangular, ellipse, or circle. I'll now move on to the annulus tool, which will allow us to measure an outer circle, then an inner or further outer circle. Two circles will be two circles with a measurement between their radiuses. Arc will allow us to measure arcs. The text tool will allow us to add text boxes to the image. The polygon will allow us to measure areas of shapes not covered by the rectangle, ellipse, or circle tool. With the multi-point, which would create a kind of standardized shape, this is ended by right-clicking, or the random point connection, which allows us to do a more free-form shape by holding down the left click and then right-clicking to end. The curve operates in a similar manner with the multi-point connection or random, which will allow us to trace the length of a curved line. We can also add in scale bars or arrows to our image. Any measurements captured, the information will be stored in our measurement sheet here with each of the measurements. We can click on it to select that specific measurement. With this information in here, we can export it to either Excel, to CSV, or HTML. We can also append it to a CSV form. And we can edit to determine what options appear for each of the things measured.